The biggest lie in fly fishing: don't bend your wrist when you cast. This is complete nonsense. When you're fly fishing, you have to have two things. Your rod tip has to travel in a straight line to establish the proper trajectory of the fly line. Then you have to come to a sudden stop at the end. It makes no difference how you get there, as long as those two things happen. You drive a car to Chicago, I ride a bus to Chicago, we both arrive in Chicago. So what if you have limited mobility in your shoulder or your elbow? An experienced angler has a lifelong habit of using his wrist when he casts. That can be difficult or even impossible to overcome. The problem with bending your wrist when you're casting a fly rod is your fly rod tip travels in an arc, which establishes a bad trajectory for your fly line, and your cast will fail every time, or you'll get stuck in the neck with your fly. If you want or need to bend your wrist while you're fly casting, just adjust the height of your hand. See, I'm dropping my hand while I'm bending my wrist, and now I'm raising it a little bit, and I'm coming to a sudden stop at the end. The best way to come to a sudden stop at the end of your fly cast and add a little power is push down with your thumb. You come forward, push down with your thumb. That ensures you make a sudden stop because your wrist only goes so far, and it also, that click at the end adds a lot of power to the cast. Your cast will go much better. Same thing on the back cast. If you have to use your wrist, just adjust the height of your hand. Come to a sudden stop at the end. Wait for the line to roll out. Just make sure that rod tip goes in a straight line. Push with your thumb to a sudden stop. So there you go. The two things you need are achieved. Your rod tip moves in a straight line, and you come to a sudden stop. Bob's your uncle. Now understand why they tell you not to bend your wrist, but they're focusing on the symptom and not the problem. It makes no difference how you do it, as long as the tip of that fly rod travels in a straight line, you come to a sudden stop, and you have good timing where you wait for the line to roll out behind you. You come forward with the tip of that fly rod traveling in a straight line, sudden stop. You'll make a good fly cast. It's just that simple. Now, because you stuck around to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a tip that will really help you learn to cast a fly rod. Pay more attention to your back cast than you do your forward cast. If you make a good back cast and come forward at the proper time and come to a sudden stop, your forward cast will take care of itself. But if your back cast is terrible, your forward cast is going to be terrible. So as you're learning and practicing, focus on that back cast. Really get that dialed in. And then just come forward, push with your thumb, forward cast will take care of itself. YouTube thinks you'll like this video. Let me know in the comments if they got it right.